So you finally got all your ducks in a row and achieved the boater's dream, your very own dream boat. And you've equipped her with all the bells and whistles necessary to make your boating experience fun and safe. And that means carrying the right kind and amount of insurance to protect your investment. And on that note, and according to most insurance company statistics, a large percentage of boats suffer damage and even sink right in the dock. So, you might want to think about putting on your boat a security and monitoring system. Now, I'm going to be getting aboard that 75-foot Viking sport cruiser with Edgewater Technologies' Mark Carreri, who along with Paradox Industries are pioneers in these kinds of systems. For Power and Motor Yacht TV, I'm Ken Chrysler, Senior Editor of Power and Motor Yacht Magazine. Let's have a look. Hi, Mark.
Hey, Ken.
Thanks for having me aboard.
My pleasure.
Okay, so let's jump right into this. And let's take a look at the basic Magellan system.
We have the head unit mount right up here. We'll go take a look.
Great.
What we have here is the Magellan VRM GSM package with some extra wireless relay options. We've removed the cushion here so you can see the GSM cellular communicator and the battery backup for the GSM cellular communicator. Very easily accessible. Now let me take you through some of the functions.
The heart of the Magellan system, which according to Edgewater is the only two-way voice and completely wireless security and monitoring system available for boats, is the 32-zone programmable wireless head unit. The security aspects of the system are accomplished through this unit. It has a built-in speakerphone as well as a 90-decibel siren, door contacts for perimeter arming, and motion sensors for interior movement. The monitoring aspects include smoke detection, 12 or 24-volt low battery voltage, high water sensing, and loss of AC power. When the Magellan system goes into alarm, as in this demonstration,
Viking 75 Sport Cruiser, engine bay high water alarm. Press 1 to enter speakerphone mode. Press 2 to disarm the system. Press pound twice to hang up.
and hear what happens when I trip the door alarm. The Magellan will even flash all the boat's exterior lights as dramatically illustrated here. If you don't need the two-way voice communication and remote access, but still want the protection of the security and monitoring system, you might want to consider the company's value package in either a security package or a security and monitoring system. Both come completely pre-programmed and ready for simple installation to 12-volt DC. And should you decide you want to upgrade, simply load all your programmed data into the memory key, plug it into your new Magellan unit, and you're ready to go. All right, now that we've seen these systems and how they work, what other add-ons does the Magellan system have?
Well, we have a GPS tracking device called the Nav Tracker. We'll go take a look at it.
Okay. All right, Mark, so this is the Nav Tracker package for the Magellan system.
That's right. And what we have here, Ken, is we have two different systems. We have the standalone Nav Tracker and the Marine Magellan Nav Tracker. We took a proven GPS tracking device used on container ships and oil rigs all over the world, and we just customized it to work for us.
Right.
This here would work on, say, smaller boats or people who just want tracking and a geofence. And then this package here is will wirelessly communicate to a Magellan system on board.
Okay. Now you mentioned something about a geofence. Exactly what is that?
A geofence is essentially a safety zone around the boat. So if the boat moves outside that, say, 500-foot safety zone, it's going to send you an email and a text message to let you know that you've had a geofence breach.
Got it. It's a good feature.
It's a great feature. You know, you're either going to get it by text message on your cell phone or by email, up to 4 different recipients. And it's going to notify you every 15 minutes why it's outside that geofence. So you know exactly its latitude and longitude, its distance from its closest city, its speed, and its direction, until it comes back inside that safety zone or until someone shuts off the geofence.
Very good. The Magellan System's head unit can be armed and disarmed in many different ways. You can push and hold the arming buttons on the panel.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. System armed.
type in your own personal code. By using the key fob remote or from any phone. The wireless relays can also control any AC or DC device, including, as we've seen, the lights, air conditioning, ice makers, or whatever the boat owner wants. Edgewater even had an application where an owner in Alaska needed his heat to be turned on whenever the temperature dropped below 35 degrees Fahrenheit aboard his boat. With its ability to cover all the basic problems, the Magellan system provides complete peace of mind for boat owners. Making sure your dream boat has the right amount of protection just might include installing a Magellan system from Edgewater Technologies. I'd like to thank Mark Carreri, president of Edgewater, and his crew for all their technical assistance, as well as HMY Yacht Sales for allowing us access to this 75-foot Viking Sport Cruiser. For Power Motor Yacht TV, I am Ken Chrysler, senior editor of Power Motor Yacht Magazine. I'll see you next time.